So hi, my name is Kabarda Josephine B. So this is my assignment number 5, which is login system with address and middle name. So let's go open Eclipse. So this is my code. I'm just gonna copy and paste it in Word. So let's run it. So I'm not yet registered. So first let's register. Let's register your password 123 123. First name Josephine, middle name B, last name Eduardo. Email, birthday 2005, month 03/14. Address is Tokyo. So register. Let's just click register. Registration successful. So hitting now register. Okay, I already forgot it. My mouse. Joke. Password 123. I don't know if this is right. Yes, it's right. Login successful. So now as you can see, this will um show you your information, and as you can see here, account information, split logout, split logout. So let's go to MS Access to see if this is correct. MS Access. Login, 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 login. Where is login? Wait, I forgot. Wait. Login. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.